Hi, I'm Deepa Kumbar. I'm a pediatric cardiologist here at St. Vincent's Medical Group Cardiology. A heart murmur is just a little extra sound that we hear when we listen to somebody's heart. It can be, instead of going the normal beat, 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 beat you sound here, then you can sound like a boom, sh, boom, sh, boom kind of sound, a swishing sound in the heart. Sometimes we can diagnose those prenatally by a fetal echocardiogram, and those are typically done between 18 and 22 weeks, and we can actually see many of the congenital heart disease defects right then and there. So a murmur is just an extra heart sound that we hear on exam. Half of all murmurs are completely normal. Functional murmurs don't mean anything at all, but the other half are coming from something, and that can be due to a small hole, they can be due to a narrow blood vessel, a thickened valve, some kind of structural problem that makes that sound. But the way we figure out what's causing it is by getting that echocardiogram.
This Medical Minute brought to you by Ascension St. Vincent.